Tesla Model Y caliper cover installation video. Please check the picture of the caliper and the quantity of related accessories before installation. Install the fixing accessories under the left front wheel caliper cover with screws. Pay attention to the printing of accessories. The L1 printing is facing the outside of the caliper cover, and the visual direction of the back is as shown in the video. Put the left front wheel caliper cover on the left front wheel caliper. Note that the accessories correspond to the grooves below the original caliper, and then place the two fixed clips under the caliper cover first. Corresponding to the two opening positions of the caliper cover, pass the fixing screws through the caliper cover to connect with the buckle. Use an M3 wrench to tighten slightly, and then tighten the other side of the fixing clip in the same way. Tighten the other two screws again. Check that the caliper cover is securely installed and check for friction on the hub. Install the right front wheel accessories under the caliper cover. Pay attention to the printing of the accessories. The direction of the printing is the visual back, and complete the installation of the right front wheel in the same way. As shown in the video, the rear wheel accessories are stuck in the groove of the caliper. Note that the accessories are divided into upper and lower parts. Use screws to connect the caliper cover to the accessories and tighten them. Hold the accessory with your hand during the tightening process. Do not turn the accessory, and then clamp the rear wheel accessory in the groove above the caliper. In the same way, tighten with screws. Complete the other rear wheel installation in the same way. Installation effect display. If you have installation problems or other problems, please contact customer service as soon as possible. We will sincerely serve you. Thank you for your choice. Thanks.